This morning I woke up and something unexpected happened. No alarm, no chaos, just a notification. One of those notifications, the kind that says, "You've received a commission." Now, I wasn't running ads. I wasn't launching a new product. I wasn't even online, but something was working in the background while I slept. And yeah, at first I brushed it off like, okay, maybe a fluke. But then it happened again and again. Look, I don't want to make it sound like this is some magic overnight thing. It's not, but there's a system, something I stumbled into that quietly works while you are not watching, and it deposits real money into your account. It doesn't require you to build a brand or chase people down. It doesn't expect you to talk to strangers or be some salesperson. Honestly, most people I know who are using it aren't even marketers. It's just simple. You plug something in, and when people interact with it, things happen, sometimes fast, sometimes while you're doing something else or doing nothing at all. You ever have that moment where you feel like something shifted? Like you finally caught on to a strategy that actually makes sense? This was one of those moments for me. I wasn't planning on trying anything new. I wasn't looking for some next big thing, but I found a link, watched a video. It made sense, and instead of overthinking it, I set it up. Didn't cost much, didn't take long, didn't feel complicated, just worked. It's weird because no one's really talking about it the way they should, but the people who are using it, they're seeing results quietly, consistently, without needing to hustle 24/7s. And that's the part I keep thinking about, how different life feels when something in the background just works. I'm not saying this will be your thing. Maybe it's not. Maybe you've tried too many things already. But if you've ever wanted something that just flows, you might want to take a peek. I'll leave it at that. You'll find the link somewhere near this video. If it makes sense, it makes sense. If not, totally cool. But if you do decide to check it out, just don't be surprised if tomorrow morning looks a little different, like mine did.